Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to find Swift code of Habib Bank Limited. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find the Swift code of Habib Bank Limited, the first method that you can use is check your statement. So to do it, simply head over and open up your SBL on your web browser by typing in sbl.com and then simply logging on the browser. Then once inside, open your SBL e-statement or printed statement, and at the bottom or top area the Swift code or the BIC code is usually printed. Then the next method that you can use is look at the checkbook. Many SBL checkbooks list the Swift or BIC code on the information page. The next method that you can use is simply scrolling all the way down. Once you are here, what you can do is simply write in your name and email and your contact number. Then simply select inquiry option right here, and on the message type in what is the Swift code for my branch. Once you submit it, you will be emailed the Swift code of the SBL to your registered email. And the next method that you can use is by simply heading over to your browser and then on the search bar type in Swift code of Habib Bank Limited. Then once you type in and search for it, the Swift code will be displayed right here, which is HABBPKKA. But specific branches often use an additional 4 characters, for example HABBPKKA XXX. So you need to confirm the exact code of your branch. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.